How to fix your washing machine smell like poop is a common issue many people face due to buildup of debris and bacteria. To start, understand that washing machine odors are usually caused by a combination of detergent residue, fabric softener residue, and bacteria growth. Begin by leaving the washing machine lid open after use to dry the interior and prevent moisture buildup. Next, check and clean the gasket and seals around the lid for any visible debris or mold. Use a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar to wipe down the gasket and seals. Run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to remove any buildup residue and bacteria. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, run a hot water cycle with a cup of white vinegar. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent future odors. Run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months and always leave the lid open after use. Additionally, using the correct amount of detergent and avoiding overloading the washing machine can also help prevent odors. For tough odors, consider running multiple cleaning cycles or using a product specifically designed to remove odor-causing bacteria. It is also important to note that some washing machines may require professional maintenance or repair if the odor persists after trying the above steps. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively remove the smell of poop from your washing machine and prevent future odors from occurring. Regular maintenance and proper use of your washing machine are key to keeping it smelling fresh and clean.